Okay, so my last breakup was in last year August.
Hey guys, this is Gigi and we are on VCM Street Vibes. Guess what? I'm here to vibe with the people, so don't go anywhere. Stick with me. Stay right here. We'll bring you lots and lots of funny reactions. Fine boy, so when was the last time you got a broken heart? Like when did somebody shatter your heart? And how long did it take for you to move on? Like what did you do? Mikechi. Fine boy is saying that she speak Chi, but okay.
Oh, and yes, I'm if you Kumama.
Kumama.
Representing Kumama.
I'ma give you one big dirty slap, man.
Broken heart.
Yeah, broken heart.
Hey, broken heart. Me be that.
Stand there where you there.
Top shatter into just a woman broken heart no. And I said one dated that, which is which?
Oh, dated them with dating.
What dated that?
I'm a dated.
When was the last time you dated anybody? Oh, a girl says yeah.
Says yeah, them or girl.
Oh, a girl. So ladies, he's been taking.
Oh, and yes, I so we saw what I say everybody.
You not get work, Abi?
Oh,
you keep on giving people broken heart.
Oh, recently I crossed me near but no and she na broken heart sir.
Then
I say no a girl na masa for no so na watch me. Into watch me na anti won kan bi.
Them? Abba. Yeah. Hurry up.
Until you've moved on. And I said, won't move you on.
Oh, me say nyane dey am pe ba broken heart ni. Ase me nya bi da o.
Ase me nya bi da. Well, why you confused?
Ase me nya bi da.
Can't let go.
Oh, me nya dey o ba as a watch me nti no. As a my thematic.
Be careful, huh?
Okay, so my last breakup was in last year August. It took a while.
Oh wow.
You know, it was a toxic cycle of the back and forth.
So who was the toxic one?
It wasn't really toxic, but it was like we just weren't meant for each other.
Yeah, you weren't compatible.
Yeah.
Oh.
My last breakup was like
She can't remember.
no, because I'm in a relationship now, so.
Oh, you are in one now. How's it going?
It's great.
Nice.
Yeah, I would say it's a while ago. It didn't take me long to get over. I don't even remember their name, to be honest.
Okay. My last breakup was with my girlfriend. My job got spoiled, so I told her that I have to reduce the money I've been giving her.
Okay.
So that by then my rent was also there, so I have to pay my rent. And then all of a sudden she picked another guy.
Just like that?
Yeah. So I got to know. A friend told me earlier on and I didn't know. So I tried to do my own investigation and then I met them one night. So I didn't take it serious. I went to work and came back. I called her and the guy picked up.
Got it! Got it!
And then I asked her.
Shy. So wait, was that the part where you got the broken heart when the guy picked up?
Yes.
That was the part where you got the broken heart?
Yes.
I haven't had a boyfriend before,
Ooh. So. Are you serious? Like, are you joking?
I'm serious.
Never?
Never.
Like never?
Yes.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Is it that you don't want one or you don't feel like it's the time? You're not ready?
Yeah, I just think I haven't sorted myself out to have another person in my life.
So what age, maybe in the next 2 years, maybe somebody's watching, they would like to get with you?
Well, maybe, but
the next year or two?
It really depends on the person. If I'm feeling that this person is meant to be in my life, then
so
maybe.
If somebody came today and you feel like, this is the one, it will work?
Maybe not right now.
Please look at my camera. They are watching you. So maybe next year.
Yeah.
We should give them next year.
Okay.
My last broken heart was around early this year.
Early this year?
Early this year.
What?
Yeah, I've not recovered yet.
You've not recovered?
Not recovered
Inti semenya girl ma o se si a be here o de.
Why not?
Not be juju be that. Food.
You know, she didn't tell me the truth, but there was something
was cheating.
going on. Yeah,
Oh,
cheating,
I'm so
and
sorry.
Later I find out, and you know, I have to pull
You
up.
have to
pull up. So.
Imade na motisa.
27th August.
Just say who says to kai date no?
27th August 2008.
2008.
Very good.
Yeah, over.
One fault.
Fault in the to be frank, on the fault.
On the fault.
Very
O
good.
chiti ya.
When chiti mom, but the idea no koye ne say. Ono chairman so Uniska.
Also Uniska.
Uniska into no probi Uniska. Na we say okay, very good. So
it's not Unisika.
Aba.
But ene oba baka say ene de o sika na aba.
Se ade oba menje.
Onje. Now okay, how did you get over it? Like saying
the way I me to be frank, me boya 2 good weeks.
Kasa prekwana.
Snap. Jay, they are not the den no.
God have mercy upon us.
And so the papa neto no until say muye da ade we say nke mu da opa beto be nden.
Ojo, nti wo say oba sesi a wo nje no.
Oh, oba dia me hwe type wa kwa me dia metima afa no sa ja. So oba kwa nugu na so ntimi nka so twa che no be.
Okay, nti sika ne de bi wo.
Oh, aba, mo no problem.
Oh no, na.
Yeah, that was when I was in NTC, somewhere 2014.
Whose fault was it? The way you account, it was their fault.
No, actually it was my fault. Actually it was my fault.
Man, 5 minutes.